Harley Extreme Air Cleaner back when I got the bike 2 years ago. And what I wanted was the DK Customs external breather kit installed. But with that air intake, there was no easy way of doing it, no way to tap into it anyhow. I'll show you right now. That's how I ran the hoses over top of the rocker boxes. I ran them through a passageway in the frame here underneath the seat, looped them through again, and out here, and teed into a larger hose into the catch can. The catch can is located just above the dipstick. So what I started doing was first I made a hose with a couple 90-degree bends into it. I took some of the existing hardware from the old kit, used a drill and a Dremel tool, and enlarged the hole in original plugs so they could be used. Fed them over top of the hoses, and the original plugs helped hold the hose in place onto the breather bolts, and it sealed off the passageway now that's there uh, to the intake. There's a close-up there showing you what the hose looks like going into the plug. It didn't take that long to do it. Put it all back together and test fitted it a few times till I got the hoses to lay right. They lay a little bit neater than what they are right now. And when I was done, I went and took the bike for a 100-kilometer, but 60-mile little ride to see what it was like. I got a fair bit of condensation, water, oily smelling water in the kitch can. If you get any questions about the install, just hit me up in the comments. I'll see if I can answer your questions.